Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 from a pen drive. The first step is to create a bootable pen drive. There are two ways in doing this. I'll show you both of them. First, open your browser and just search for Windows 10 or Windows 10 download. Open the first link which takes you to the Microsoft website. Scroll down to the page and you will find the download tool now button. Click it and download the Microsoft MediaCreation Tool. Open the file. And accept the license agreement. Click on the Create Installation Media option. Choose your language and the edition of your Windows 10 and which architecture your system is using, that is 64-bit or 32-bit. You can also choose both. Click on Next and choose the USB flash drive option. Remember that you need a pen drive of minimum 8 GB capacity. It will be formatted and all the files in it will be deleted to install Windows 10. Click on Next and select the pen drive that you have plugged into your computer. Now Windows 10 will be downloaded and the set of files will be stored in that pen drive. Now you can boot from the pen drive and start installing Windows 10 on any computer. After downloading, you can skip to the part of the video where we can install Windows 10. If you need to install Windows 10 later on in the future, choose the second option, that is ISO file. This is very useful if you are on a data cap and you have limited bandwidth. You don't have to download Windows 10 again and again. Click on Next and choose where the file needs to be saved. The Windows 10 ISO file will start downloading. You need to download Rufus, which is a third-party software. It helps in creating a bootable pen drive from an ISO file. An ISO file is a file that contains a complete image of a disk. In other words, it is an exact copy of a DVD which can be utilized without the physical presence of a disk. So download the Rufus application. And open it. Under the device section, select the pen drive with at least 8 GB of space. Under boot selection, click the select button on the right side. Now navigate to the Windows 10 ISO file and select it. In the image options section, select the standard Windows installation option. Now here comes the common confusion. Even today, Windows 10 supports both partition system, that is MBR and GPD. To find what partition scheme your computer is, open Start and type Disk Management. Now right click on your Windows installed disk and click Properties. Click the Volumes tab and here you can find your partition style. For my system, the partition style is GPT. If this is same in your computer, then select the same option If your system's partition style is MBR, it will look exactly like this. Then you must select the partition scheme as MBR. Now the second confusion is that whether your system has UEFI or BIOS. Open Run from Start and type MS-Info32. Click OK and a system information window will open. Under System Summary, you will find your BIOS mode. For my system, it is UEFI. If your BIOS mode specifies legacy, then select your target system to BIOS. Under the Show Advanced Drive Properties section, leave the default settings. Give the pendrive any name you want. Under the file system and cluster size, leave them default as it is. Click the Advanced Format Options button and select Quick Format and Create Extended Label and Icon Files option. Click the Start button. And click the OK button to confirm. And now, same as before, you can install Windows 10 on any computer. Important note, if your BIOS mode is UEFI, you have to disable the Secure Boot option on the BIOS menu of your computer. The Secure Boot option will look the same in this image. Secure Boot must be disabled compulsorily. Without this option disabled, you cannot install any other OS from a CD or pendrive. For each computer, the method of going to BIOS mode will vary. So please search in Google to find the right method to enter BIOS for your computer. Now insert the bootable pendrive into your computer and restart the system. Most systems will automatically detect the bootable pendrive and start the Windows 10 setup. If the Windows 10 setup doesn't start automatically, you should manually select the pendrive by going to the boot menu option. To find this option, again this option varies for each system. So please Google it and see the correct option for your system. Now that the setup is started, select the language of Windows 10, the time and currency format, the keyboard or input method, and click on Next. If you have a Windows 10 key, please enter it in this box. It will automatically activate it once it detects an internet connection. Otherwise, click I don't have a product key. Select the version of Windows that you would like to install. Accept the license terms. Click on the custom type of installation. Delete all the partitions as shown in this image and select the unallocated space and click Next. This will install a clean version of Windows. By this time, you can safely remove the pen drive and Windows 10 will automatically continue the setup. Now continue as shown in the video. have successfully installed resistant.